I'm going to take a look at Revell's Star Wars The Force Awakens Resistance X-Wing Fighter Level 2 kit. This kit is roughly 1/50th scale, retails for right around $30 and is available online or at your local hobby store. This is their Level 2 kit. Always start with the box. Do like the box art. It is painted. I call this standard box art as I could not find an artist who painted it. There's the front. There's the back showing you which other kits are available. Next up, always start with the instructions, and it's actually a booklet. Full color. And pretty self-explanatory. The kit comes basically in 5 sprues, 4 styrene, 1 clear. And the kit has roughly 55 parts. And I'll start with the wings here. I've noticed here the wings right here, they seem to be a little thin. So caution will be required when you snip them off the sprue. Second set of wings. Detail on it's pretty sharp. And the kit is pre-painted, but can be repainted. The BB-8. The cockpit. You do get a stand and a base, which you can have the two options of putting it on the stand or, where did I see it, putting the landing gears on. So you can have two options on that. The fuselage. And the canopy itself. The canopy seems to be pretty clear. Looks like a great kit. I highly recommend it. This for the Resistance X-Wing Fighter.